Today we are going to perform experiment number 21 to perform and report identification test on the given sample of quinine sulfate as per IP. The requirement for the experiments are test tube, Thiel's tube, capillary. In case of chemicals, alcohol, chloroform, ether, bromine water, dilute ammonia solution, dilute sulfuric acid and barium chloride solution. The description of the drug is available as white or almost white needle-like crystals or crystalline powder. In case of solubility, the drug is freely soluble in mixture of 2 volumes of chloroform and 1 volume of ethanol. Means we have to take chloroform and ethanol in a proportion of 2:1. It is sparingly soluble in boiling water and in alcohol. Slightly soluble in water and very slightly soluble in chloroform and practically insoluble in ether. So now we are going to perform the first test, that is description. Here the nature of the compound, you can see that it is available as white powder, crystalline powder, odorless. It is available as white colored powder, crystalline and odorless. So it complies all the tests as per the IP. The solubility test. As you know, the drug is slightly soluble in water. So here you can see that it is slightly soluble. Next test, we have to check the solubility in case of alcohol. In alcohol, it is that drug is sparingly soluble in alcohol. Then next comes, we have to check the solubility in chloroform. It is slightly soluble. Drug is slightly soluble in chloroform. Next we have to check it in ether. Practically insoluble. Drug is practically insoluble. And it is freely soluble in a mixture of chloroform and ethanol. Here you can see that it is freely soluble. So again I will show you. This is the first solubility in case of water, then alcohol, then chloroform, ether and mixture of chloroform and ethanol. Going to perform identification test. For this test we have to take 5 ml or 0.5% weight by volume solution of the drug, add 2 to 3 drops of bromine solution and 1 ml of dilute ammonia solution. Emerald green color is produced. Here is the compound plus water. Now we have to add 2 to 3 drops of bromine solution. Then we have to add 1 ml of ammonia solution. So here you can see that there is a development of emerald green color after addition of the ammonia. What it indicates that quinine is present. To the saturated solution of the drug, we have to add 1 drop of dilute sulfuric acid. A strong blue fluorescence is produced. We have to make a saturated solution. So I am going to put very small amount of water so that the solution becomes saturated. Now we have to add dilute sulfuric acid, 2 drops. There is a development of blue fluorescence. Again, the quinine sulfate is present. The given sample of quinine sulfate complies the test A and B as per the IP.